Hi, my name's Jamie Kitchen with Danfoss, and in front of me here, we happen to have what we call a solenoid valve. Now, a solenoid valve is an automated valve. It takes a signal that is sent to a magnet that sits on top, and that magnet then causes a solenoid valve to open and close. Some solenoid valves have a manual stem on the bottom that would allow you to open and close the valve if there is a power outage. So what do we use these for? Well, we can use them for something called a pump down cycle in refrigeration, which allows the refrigerant or forces the refrigerant to go into the condenser and receiver. This acts as a protection for the compressor to make sure that when it starts up, there is limited chance of refrigerant coming back to it. You ever walk through a supermarket system and you wonder, hey, how do they keep all these different cases and refrigerated spaces cold? That's what these can do. You have a central refrigeration system. The refrigerant is sent out to all these different places, and you can control whether that refrigerant goes to it or not using a solenoid valve. So in the end, these are used to control refrigerant flow, start and stop it, make sure it only goes where you want it to go, and make sure it doesn't come back when you don't want it to. Hope you enjoyed these videos. For more information, please visit our website, danfoss.us.